Aisha, we're living in extremely interesting and challenging times. My view from the perspective I look at it, I think this coming wave of AI and machine learning is a tsunami in the making. No business will remain untouched by this wave, and I'm saying this with my experience of having seen the IT bull market as an IT analyst in the late 90s and the start of this decade. So I think in some form or other, every business will undergo massive transition and transformation, and there will be huge amount of disruption in traditional businesses which will be quicker to adapt to newer technologies will probably survive, but I'm sure there will be many who will not be able to do so. So when you talk about platforms, while using some of these platforms for vaccinations and so on will be a more, I see them as a short-term opportunities which can be growth accelerator for some of these platforms over the next 12, 18 months. But what really excites me is, when you look at things from a slightly more longer term perspective, the kind of opportunities that exist there. While it's understood, I'm just saying I've started using Cred as a platform for the last few weeks, and now realize that Cred is trying to do something in the credit card space what Bajaj Finance did in the consumer finance space 10 years back, where they're trying to consolidate credit card spends and then use that as a leverage to negotiate with the vendors and the service providers or the product manufacturers. So I'm saying in each and every segment in the ecosystem that I look at, there's huge amount of disruption that's in the making. A lot of these or most of these companies are unlisted at this point of time, but I'm very sure over the next 5 or 7 years, all of these companies will get listed and will create probably a very large internet economy in the India. Probably India's internet economy probably should be the second or the third largest in the world after US and China.